This short video demonstrates how we use Vlad's Test Target to fine-tune the Easy120 when it's mounted in either vertical or horizontal orientation. We're using an APO Rodagon D 2X lens mounted between two helicoids. The helicoid between the lens and the medium format 6x9 film holder helps with framing the shot. The one between the lens and the camera allows for precise fine focusing. Let's start by turning the camera on. Now we see the test target on the screen. And here we're making a final approach, first to frame the shot, and then to focus, by watching the focus peaking highlight the image. We begin by rotating the front helicoid to set the reproduction ratio. We do this by observing the target's borders on screen. Once the shot is framed, we rotate the rear helicoid to bring the image into sharp focus. When all the high contrast details in the image turn red, we're there. Notice how all the Siemens stars light up red at the same time. This confirms that the film and sensor planes are perfectly aligned. Next, we switch on 10 times magnification and move the zoom window around the frame, checking the center and corners to ensure critical sharpness and alignment across the whole image. You can see that every Siemens star is sharp. The fine raster covering the surface of the target is tack sharp too. Just look at those clean edges, clear visual proof of the APO Rodagon D 2X lens's outstanding quality. Finally, we zoom out and see the target as a whole. Thanks to the Vlads Test Target, we can use camera's focus peaking feature very effectively, and the focusing process is fast, precise, and easy repeatable. And that's basically it. We are ready to go with the real scan. Happy digitizing!